Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add WhatsApp chat messenger into your WordPress website without using any app. So you don't need to install any plugin for that. So you can see on my screen on the right bottom, we have a WhatsApp chat icon. So let me show you step by step. Firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the WordPress website, and then you should install one plugin to access your files. Actually, this you can later on uninstall. For example, I'm going to plugins. Here you should click on add new, and you should search here file manager. So for example, I am writing here file manager. I already installed, I don't need to install it again. Here it will be displaying like WP file manager. You should click on it, and then after you will be having some files and folders. So you should click on WP-content, then themes. Click on the installed theme. I have installed Bootstrap, and then click on footer.php. Just right click and click on code editor. So here you can see that we have WP footer, and then we have also at the bottom HTML tag close and body tag close. So actually this specific thing was not there. For example, I'm going to remove it, and let me save it again, and let's see the changes on the front end. So you can see that the icon has been removed from here, disappeared. I am again going to add. So actually this will be the default nature of the file, but here you should paste the code. I will be adding the link below in the description for the post which I added. So here is this code. I'm going to copy, and you should paste it right here. So I'm going to increase some bottom distance for 50, and then let me save it, and then you can refresh it back. Here you can see that it appears again. So one thing is that here in this code you can see that we have two things. The first is like WhatsApp number, so you should add your WhatsApp number here, and another thing is that you have to upload the image. So actually this is the image which I have already uploaded, and I copied the link, and that's why I can able to paste it right here. So how you can upload the WhatsApp image? So firstly you should go to media. I'm going to close it now, and going to click on media, and here you should upload that image. For example, I have already downloaded the image. For example, this one, this is the WhatsApp. I'm going to drag it and drop it here. So I'm going to click on this image, and here you can see that file URL. So you just need to copy this complete URL and paste it right here. All right, in place of this image will be on your server, so automatically you can actually copy and paste it. So how you will be downloading this WhatsApp image? You should go to internet and right here WhatsApp image, and there are a bunch of images which you can actually download and again upload into your WordPress website. Alright, so this is how you can actually implement this specific feature, which is free of cost. Otherwise you need to install the plugin, which is increasing the load time, adding additional JavaScript and stuff. So to avoid all these, you can quickly copy and paste the code, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.